Hi there, kids. Welcome to Learn About Birds. Today, we're going to discover some amazing birds from all around the world. Are you ready to explore? Let's go.
Look at this bright red bird. This is a cardinal. Cardinals are known for their vibrant red feathers and sweet songs. Can you hear it singing?
Wow, isn't that lovely? Next, we have the fabulous flamingo. Flamingos are famous for their pink color and their long, skinny legs. They like to stand on one leg. Wow! Can you try standing on one leg like a flamingo? Great job, everyone!
There. It's cold here, but look, it's a snowy owl. Snowy owls have white feathers to blend in with the snow. They have big, yellow eyes that help them see in the dark.
Wow! Can you pretend to be a snowy owl and hoot? Hoo-hoo! You're all amazing snowy owls. Wow! Look at this colorful bird. It's a toucan. Toucans are known for their huge, colorful beaks. They love to eat fruits. Can you spot the different colors on the toucan's beak? That's right. Wow! Toucans have beaks with lots of colors. Great job, everyone! Now, let's visit the ducks. Ducks are fun to watch because they love to swim and quack. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. Wow! You're all fantastic ducks. We had so much fun learning about birds today. Remember, birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and they all have unique songs and calls. Thanks for joining us on this bird adventure. Wow! Good job! I hope you like our today's lesson. Bye-bye, everyone.